And lastly rin, for about confusion, it actually makes you choose to settle. Thinking na, ito na lang, okay na ako dito, ganyan. It's actually not going to be good for you, especially if you want something done. If it's something done with just okay, then you always get okay or even poor results as well. Pero if you try to do your best on just one thing, you can pour all of your energy, you can do a lot, and you can make it the best as you can. Just think about all of those things that are tied to confusion. You waste a lot of your energy and even your time. You create anxiety for yourself and even for others. And then, you also just choose to settle. But i-compare mo siya with getting clarity, you get simplicity. Meaning, madali na lang yung yeses mo or yung no's mo. Mag-yes ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na alam mo na would contribute to that purpose, to the goal that you have in mind, because you're so clear about it. And then number 2 of what clarity brings you is that you can focus. Lahat ng energy mo, yung oras mo, ilalagay mo kung saan nagmamatter. And number 3, and I think this is one of the most important part, is that you actually get peace with clarity. You won't be fighting with yourself anymore. Wala nang internal conflicts because you can just flow into it. So I think those are the big differences if you have clarity compared to confusion.